Alright, in this video we're going to look at conditional formatting. So this is the question from the previous video and the solution is here from the previous video as well. The only new thing is that I have added another question that says apply conditional formatting to the status. Okay, so we have to apply conditional formatting to the status bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the status, the entire status column here, and then we're going to go to home, and in the styles group or style section, whatever you want to call it, you will see a conditional formatting. Okay, so we're just going to do click on the drop down menu, then we are going to go to the highlight cell rules, so we can highlight it as greater than, less than, between, or equal to. In this case, since these are not values or numbers, so we won't be using between, less than, or greater than. We're going to use the equal to. Okay, now in equal to, I want the fields to be in the color of red. So here we have chosen light red fill with dark red text. Now here we just write FAILD, field, and as you can see, a preview has been shown. The field has changed its color. Now we just click on OK. There we go. Now what I want is another conditional formatting where we'll go back to equal to. Now I'm going to give in past. Now past won't be this color. We're going to change it to green fill with dark green text. Now click on OK. Now as you can see, the past is given green color and the field is giving red color. Now the fun fact with conditional formatting is that it is changeable. So for example, if I revert the value of 300 to 10 again and hit enter, it is changed to failed, and the conditional formatting of the color is also changed. Okay, so that's the fun fact of it. Now I want to remove the conditional formatting from here. To do that, we're just going to go there, and then we're going to go to clear rules, and you have two options here: clear rules from selected cells or clear rules from entire sheet. So right now the cell I have selected, there are no rules for applied for that cell. So when I give clear rules from selected cells, nothing happens. But if I had selected these and then given that, it would have removed the conditional formatting from there. Now go to clear rules, and we're going to click on clear rules from entire sheet, and the rules are now gone. Okay, now let's apply rules to the spent values. Just go to conditional formatting, highlighted cells, then we're choosing greater than. So the values which are greater than 50 are going to be, let's say, green fill. Okay, now click on OK. Now we have done that. Now again, select the cells, go to conditional formatting. Now we're going to go to less than. So the values that are less than 50 are going to be with light red fill with dark text. Now hit on OK. As you can see, it is changed. Now if I change the value, there we go, the conditional formatting also changes along with it. So it is pretty much automated. Okay, now we have talked about all of these. Now what you can also do is, if you choose the certain amount of values, let me just first remove the ones from the entire sheet. Now let's go to conditional formatting. There are data bars here. You can use the data bars. There we go. As you can see, the 2000s are completely filled because it is the greatest value in this one, and then the 10 is the leastest filled one, and 200 is given a bit of field there because it is somewhat percentage of 2000 that can be seen in comparison to 10, 25, and 55. Okay, now we can do it with various colors, but the same thing is going to happen here. Then we also have solid fill. Now we have color scales. There you go. You can also apply color scales. We don't have much variation or enough data here, so this is going to be like that. Then you can also give icon sets here. It is directional icon sets. Okay, then you have shapes that you can apply. Then you have indications. There you go. And this is the ratings. This is the ratings one. This is for smaller rating, and this is for bigger rating. Okay, so there we go. that's 4 ratings, and that's 5 ratings. Okay, so these are what you can apply there, and there are new rules as well. These are the predefined rules, and you can also give new rules, but we won't be talking about this in this video. We're going to solve a problem using the new rules in our next video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new. If you have found the video to be useful, please like and consider subscribing to the channel, as it will enable me to make more videos like this one. Thank you.